Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Powerowl charger suddenly starts blinking red and charging no longer works the way it normally should, it can feel frustrating, especially when batteries stop charging unexpectedly. Sometimes the Powerowl charger flashes red for only one battery slot, while other times the blinking appears on multiple slots and leaves people wondering what actually changed. A situation like this can happen because of battery placement issues, dirty contacts, weak batteries, or temporary charging interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Poweroll charger blinking light problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Poweroll charger blinking red. Try these. Step 1. Remove batteries from the Poweroll charger and check if they sit correctly in each slot. Step 2. Reinsert batteries into the Poweroll charger carefully if the red blinking continues unexpectedly. Step 3. Inspect charging contacts inside the Poweroll charger if dirt may be affecting connection. Step 4. Check the power connection linked with the Poweroll charger if blinking suddenly starts during charging. Step 5. Restart the Poweroll charger briefly by disconnecting and reconnecting power carefully. Step 6. Test the Poweroll charger again.